Well, thanks for coming in today. I want to welcome you to King Caterers, and I'm very glad that you're here. So if you can you explain a little bit about what the event that you're wanting to have catered? So what kind of numbers are you thinking you might be needing food for? Well, the question I would have is, I understand you don't want a buffet line, but more that you'd have kind of light snacks. Um, would you be wanting the catering service? Would you want us to provide kind of the servers, the people to walk around and actually serve the food? Or do you want us to just provide the food? So, what's the date exactly that you're looking for this? Has that been pinned down yet? Okay. So, do you have any idea of what kind of appetizers you'd like to have? I mean, do you want things like fresh vegetables and fruit trays? Do you want to have more kind of pastry type things? I'm not quite sure what exactly you'd like to have for that type of event. Yeah, I'm very familiar with the ribbon sandwiches, so we could definitely provide that type of thing. And it sounds like you want to be sure to have a vegetarian option. Definitely more and more events are really wanting to provide that as well. Okay, great. those would all be some options that we could provide. What I might suggest is, now that I have kind of this preliminary information, that I take some time and go through some of our menu items and show you what some options would be and how much the cost would be. So that I can't really provide that right now, but maybe you could come back in a couple days and we could have another meeting and I could kind of provide you with a few estimates of what the cost would be and what some of your options might be. Does that sound like a good plan? We, up to a month in advance, you can cancel and there's no charge. After that point, when we're set and we have to start setting the schedules for the people who will be the servers, then if you cancel 2 weeks in advance, it's you have to, by the month out, you have to have put down 50% down payment. And then up to a week in advance, you can cancel and you don't have to pay any more than that 50%. But once it goes beyond a week, we have to buy all the food and start preparing it, so you would have to pay the full price after that week. And when I give you that estimate, that'll all be clear on there as well. Well, thanks for coming in. My phone, I've got to go catch my phone, so I'll look forward to seeing you next week. Sure. Thanks for coming in.